moments later.
Welcome back to another video of my Jamaican Dream House. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. By doing this, help my channel grow and also motivate me to do more videos. In this video, I'm working on a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom section of the house designated to rent out. So as you see, I already have the wall rough cast and rendered. It was a long process to get it completed. The mason that was working on the wall was dragging his foot. I gave him the work from November 2019, so I finally decided to move forward without him and give it to another mason that I use. In September 2020. He wasn't too happy about that, but anyway, that's a long story for another time. So after waiting so long for him, I decided to call a plumber, and the plumber came and laid the pipe. It took the plumber 1 week to lay the pipe underground, laying the pipe for the bathroom and the kitchen, as you could see here. So here you have my plumber digging a trench to run the pipe in. All those pipe are for the bathroom. Seems like a lot, don't it? Wow. The plumber will be back once I cast the floor, tile it, and I have to buy some fixtures as far as like toilet and sink. Then he'll come back and finish the rest of the work. These pipes will run to the pit. Building is not for everyone. You have to be strong and patient. Sometimes it's nerve-wracking. Jamaican tradesman works on their own time. Sometimes your plans might not go as you expected, but nothing good ever comes easy.
Several days. Tomorrow for sure. Eventually.
So right here I have my plumber tapping into the water supply line so my tenant could have water to their washing machine. I'm gonna have to put an elbow on that later. After the plumber was finished with his portion, I decided to call someone to come and do my grill. Security is a must. The guy came and he measured up my windows and door. It took him about 3 weeks to get everything ready. I was really pleased with his work. Those pipes are going to the kitchen. I am so excited my grill's getting put in today. This guy did a wonderful job. I am so pleased. So I built a grill with a fire escape in the bedroom just in case. Finally doing the floor. I'm so happy. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel grow. Looks like progress. I made the kitchen counter out of concrete. I did ask them to offset the sink, but I wish I did center it, but it's what it is. I hope I don't regret it later. No time to move backwards, let's move forward. Because the living space is small inside, I decided to go with a huge balcony to entertain guests. Also a washroom I'll be adding on to this section right here.